مادر زیفت کرده؟
بله بله بیرو بودیم زلزله شد دیگه نفهمیدیم به خود حالت کو نمیفهمیدیم وقتی که کمی قرار شد که بیامودیم مادر همی بچه هم اینجا افتاده بود کل خواب علیب افتاده بود پشلوچی از هم خدایی بوده که پای شکسته مادر از که شهید شد بره
Two more earthquakes have struck Afghanistan this morning, bringing it to a total of 7 earthquakes and multiple aftershocks over the past 8 days. Dozens of villages are affected, some entirely flattened. Those who have survived have lost everything. They are left with no shelter or food. WFP has been on the ground within the first few hours, delivering emergency food assistance to the survivors. But we need more, as this food is taken from an already severely underfunded program.